How to prepare Recipients CA. Log in to your SigningCloud account at my.signingcloud.com. Select the Create Documents button from the dashboard and select Sign with Trusted CA ID. Select from the drop-down bar to select respective CA providers. You may select Available DSA to check your available credits. If you do not have enough DSA credit, a warning message will be prompted to you. Your DSA document will be shown as Pending Send. The DSA document will be sent out immediately once the DSA credits have been purchased.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.